A bit of rain moving across the southeast today, but we need more than that to help us get out of this drought. We see thicker clouds moving into State College now, but take a look at what's down to our south. A large area of low pressure with rain wrapped all around it. And we see the jet stream diving further south, bringing with it some mild air. Temperatures won't warm up much more from where they are now, and partly because of these clouds. A dying cold front moving across the state will bring scattered showers to the northwest, and you'll notice these winds, they're out of the east. That easterly flow is bringing in cooler temperatures. Take a look at these temperature changes. What goes down our storm drains ends up in our rivers, our lakes, and our streams. This storm heading right now over towards Highway 601, not a good time to be driving. We see that cooler air already getting into the Erie area and up into the northwest. That's going to make its way down across the state throughout the day today. Well, the showers are over for uptown right now, but we are still tracking a few out there, especially on the Chester area along 321 up around just east of Lowry's. They're seeing the worst of it right now. Further up 321 around Lincolnton area, they're seeing another round of rain, not quite as heavy as the rain down around Lowry's, but up around Sawmills are seeing the heaviest rain on the radar right now. That shower just about to cross 321, so do be careful if you're out driving. Make sure those windshield wipers are working. We sure could use the rain. This calendar's a bit deceiving looking at all the rain we've received over the course of the month of July. Many days we have recorded rain, but it hasn't added up to much. Just 1.02 inches of rain for the entire month of July. And there it is. If we add that to what we have seen so far this year, we are over 5.5 inches below average. And thank goodness for April. The 1 month so far this year we have been above average. That's really helped us out and kept us out of worse drought conditions, although we are seeing drought conditions right now. If it felt like a dry July, you're right, it has been. Right now we are sitting at the 4th driest July on record, and if we don't see any more rain tomorrow, that's where we will stay, as we probably won't see any on Saturday. Futurecast, though, showing some scattered showers moving in tomorrow afternoon. This is right around 4 o'clock, right around the time evening rush hour starts. So not looking good for evening rush hour, but looking good for your lawns out there. Those will move through, and by Friday morning, it's looking clear as a bell, and that will continue into Friday afternoon and hopefully into the weekend, just a chance for an isolated shower. So we'll keep that 20% chance of rain in for the weekend, but the best chance will be tomorrow on Thursday for us to get some of that much needed rain. Temperatures have a slight cooling trend over the next 5 days. We'll see 92 for the end of the week, then 90 over the weekend, then maybe a bit of relief on Monday with an 89, just to make it feel a little bit better. Those cooler temperatures won't last, though. We'll be back up into the 90s later next week. Again, that best chance of rain in the 7-day forecast is tomorrow, and then looking good for outdoor plans over the weekend, mostly sunny skies. During these hot summer months, we're always looking for a way to quantify how muggy the air is outside. And many people turn to the relative humidity, but the number you might actually want to look at is the dew point. Let's take a look at the difference. We have two glasses here. The bigger glass has 6 ounces of water. It's 50% full, like a relative humidity of 50%. The smaller glass has 4 ounces of water, but it's completely full, like a relative humidity of 100%. The dew point is an absolute scale. It's either 6 ounces or it's 4 ounces, and it doesn't matter the size of the glass. So when you're talking about dew points, a dew point, once it gets up into the 60s, you really start to feel the mugginess. And by the time you get to a 70-degree dew point, there's no hope of having a good hair day.